Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let us know more about Brothers Grimm. Go through the video. The Brothers Grimm were born in Hanau, Germany. Jacob was born on the 4th of January 1785 and William on the 24th of February 1786. From early youth until their death, the brothers were very close friends, always complimenting each other. Their father, Philip William Grimm, was a lawyer. After his passing, the brothers Grimm were able to finish their education only thanks to the generosity of their aunt. The brothers Grimm showed their brilliant abilities while they were still young. After a graduation at a Castle School, the Grimms continued their education at Marburg University with the firm intention to become lawyers, following the example of their father.
In 1805, Jacob Grimm went to Paris to do scientific work. The brothers, accustomed to always live and work together, found their parting difficult and decided never to separate again. Between 1805 and 1809, Jacob Grimm was a librarian to Jerome Bonaparte with Wilhelm Schegg. After the war with France, Jacob Grimm received a task from the Elector of Kassel to go to Paris and return to Kassel Library manuscripts which are stolen from the French. In 1815, together with a representative of Kassel, Jacob Grimm was sent to the Congress of Vienna. He looked down upon a prosperous political career. All business matters were an obstacle to his scientific pursuits. Jacob left the service in 1816, refusing a proposed professorship in Bonn along with a high salary, and became librarian in Kassel, where his brother worked since 1814. The Grimm brothers kept their humble position, devoting themselves to their research. In 1825, Wilhelm Grimm married, but the brothers still continued to live and work together.
In 1829, there was an opening for the director's position at the Library of Kassel. The position should have been awarded by Jacob Grimm, but another person on without any merit was preferred. Brothers Grimm felt so outraged by this injustice that left. Of course, they did not stay without a job. Their scientific works were already too well known. In 1830, Jacob Grimm was invited to Göttingen, become a professor of German literature and a senior librarian in the Göttingen University. Wilhelm received a junior librarian's position in 1831 and was awarded the title of supernumerary, and later in 1835 a full-time professor. There the brothers worked with a group of progressive scholars, especially Germany's science luminaries, but their stay in Göttingen was short.
The new king of Hanover, who came to the throne in 1837, decided to remove the constitution granted to Hanover by his predecessor with a single scratch. Of course, discontent spread through the country, but only 7 scholars had enough courage to openly protest. The brothers Grimm were among these 7 brave men. King Ernst August immediately responded to this protest with the dismissal of the 7 professors and drove away those who were not born in Hanover. Within 3 days, the brothers Grimm had to leave town and temporarily settle in Kassel.
Public opinion in Germany supported the famous scientist. A petition in favor of the Grimms was opened, and the 2 most famous publishers in Germany, Reimer and Gitzel, offered to publish a German dictionary compiled on the both scientific basis. Brother Grimm accepted this suggestion without hesitation, and after quite a long preparation they started to work. But they did not have to stay in Kassel for long. Their friend helped them. Their new patron was Crown Prince Frederick Wilhelm in Prussia. When in 1840 he came to the throne, the brother Grimm was called in Berlin immediately. They were elected to the Berlin Academy of Sciences, and academics have been graduated the right to read lectures at Berlin University. Soon after, Wilhelm and Jacob Grimm began to read lectures at university and lived in Berlin until their death. Wilhelm died on the 6th December 1859, and Jacob followed him on the 20th of September 1863.